Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to crochet this super easy rose flower keychain. This is a beginner friendly project and I'll be walking through it step by step with you as you use all the stitches. And to get started, all you need is a medium weight yarn, acrylic or cotton, both work great. You need a 3.5 millimeters crochet hook and scissors. Okay, once we have everything on hand, we're ready to begin. To crochet the keychain, the first thing we need to do is make our slip knots with our yarn. We're going to chain a total of 23 stitches. Okay, our chains are ready. Now we're going to insert our hook into the fifth chain and make one single crochet right there. Then we're going to chain 3. Skip 2 chains and work one single crochet into that third chain. Chain 3 again. Skip 2 chains and work one single crochet into the third chain. We're just going to continue in the same way all the way until the end of the row. And we've reached the end of the row. Now go ahead and chain 3 and turn your work. Yarn over your hook. Into the first space, we're going to crochet a treble crochet. We're going to make a total of 6 treble crochets into that same space. Into the next space, make one single crochet. Then into the following space, make 6 treble crochets. Just continue in the same way, working 6 treble crochets into each space all the way to the end of the row. And just like that, we finished the petals of our rose. Go ahead and cut your yarn. Now we're going to hide these short yarn ends. And finally, we're going to glue it together like this to create the shape of our rose. Now let's go ahead and move on to crocheting the leaf for our rose. For this, we're going to switch over to our green yarn. Go ahead and make a slip knot. We're going to chain 20 stitches. Okay, our chains are ready. Now skip one chain and work one single crochet into the next chain. Into the following chain, work a half double crochet and another half double crochet into the next chain. We're going to crochet double crochets into the next 3 chains. Then work 2 half double crochets, one single crochet and one slip stitch. Now we're going to crochet the other side in exactly the same way. Again, one single crochet, 2 half double crochets, three double crochets, two half double crochets, and one single crochet. One side of our leaf is ready. At the end, chain one and make another single crochet right here. Just as we worked on this side, we're going to continue in the same way on the other side. Work your half double crochets on top of the half double crochets, double crochets on top of the double crochets, and single crochets on top of the single crochets all the way to the end of the row. And our leaf is ready. Go ahead and cut your remaining yarn. Hide that short yarn end on the back and trim any excess yarn. Now we're going to crochet the green backing piece for the rows. For this, we're going to make a magic ring. Chain 1. Into the magic ring, we're going to work 10 half double crochets. Go ahead and pull that tail of the magic ring tight. Now insert your hook into the top of the first half double crochet and join with a slip stitch. Chain 4. Skip one stitch and work one single crochet into the next stitch. One half double crochet into the following stitch and one double crochet into the last stitch. Skip one stitch and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again chain 4. Skip one stitch and work one single crochet, one half double crochet and one double crochet. Skip one stitch and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Just continue in this way until the end of the round and our leaf is complete. Go ahead and set that aside. Now take your green yarn and make another slip knot. We're going to chain a total of 65 stitches. Okay, our chains are ready. So we have two leaves like this and another leaf that we've already crocheted. Now we're going to attach our chains to the leaf. You see, we still have that tail from the magic ring right here. Pull the yarn from your chain through the place where the magic ring tail is and tie those two yarn ends together. After securing them tightly, go ahead and trim the excess yarn. Secure the other side in the same way and tie it firmly. Now take your rows. Using glue, we're going to attach the rows just like this. And our roses are ready. Go ahead and secure this part with glue as well. And that's it. I hope you had fun making this and that it was easy to follow along. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crocheting!